All right, you guys, welcome back, man. This is what's up. This is what's up. I'm glad to see you here. Glad to see you here, ready to take your education to the next level. Whether you're taking your trading to the next level, binary option to the next level, your lifestyle to the next level, whatever it is, right? Let's get it, man. Let's get these goals knocked down, right? So you already know, man. We 5 months into the new year, 6 months into the new year, right? So basically, I've been putting together all these videos, right? Free videos, free concept. Not being a financial advisor though, I'm just giving out my thoughts and opinions basically on what I've learned, right? And today I got a cool video because I'm going to show you guys the downtrend. And basically in this video, I'm gonna specifically only show you guys the downtrend. So that way you guys can fully understand the downtrend. You can come to this video and reference a downtrend. You will know exactly what a downtrend is. You will know when you see a downtrend after this video, guys. So, man, like I said, man, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, man. Y'all already know SMSFX, and we dropping bangers, we dropping heat, man, for you guys, right? And now this gonna be beginner, but it's gonna be like beginner and semi pro, right? Because at the end of the day, you guys gonna be able to effectively, if you put everything together, you guys gonna be able to effectively enter and exit trades, right? And you're gonna be able to, be sufficient, right? Self-sufficient. Okay, so let's get it. Let me share the screen and then let me hop right into it, man. I don't want to make the video super long because I know a lot of people be like, man, the videos be long. That kind of bored them out, man. And I know, like, when you're learning something new, for you to be seeing you know uh long videos like that, it's not cool, man. It's not cool. All right, so now we're gonna go over here and we're gonna identify a downtrend, guys. That's what we want to do. So right here, if you look at the charts right now, we already know about key levels and things like that. We already know about candle patterns and all that, right? So now, yeah, we're gonna go to this key level that we have filled out, right? Well, it's not a main key level, but it's a 15-minute key level, right? So when price get up to this level, it usually sells off, right? Same as when price get up to down here to this level, it usually buys up, right? So now we're identifying. So the first thing you want to look for in a downtrend, right? The first thing you want to look for is you want to look for lower lows, right? So lower lows, and you want to look for lower highs. Okay, so you're going to be looking for lower lows and lower highs, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here to my text tool, and then I'm going to type that in so you guys can follow me, and then I can point them out and show you guys. So I'm not gonna go too much into lower lows and lower highs because that's gonna be for another video. I want to go into that in full depth for you guys too, right? So lower lows, right? We're gonna be looking for lower lows and lower highs. But since lower lows and lower highs is what consists of in a downtrend, that's all we're going to talk about in this video, right? Is for the downtrend. And then we'll put a video for everything else all together as one, right? So now we're going to look for lower lows and then we're going to look for lower highs, guys. So now we look for lower highs, okay? In a downtrend, okay? So that's what we're looking for, okay? Now I'm gonna put these over here to the side so we can first off find, you know what I'm saying, a high, right? Or a resistance level. So now we know we had a resistance level, but we got to make sure we have a full, um, you know, resistance level. We don't want price to pull back anymore or anything like that. We want, man, I wonder what's going on with my mouse over here though, dude. It's acting real crazy, shady. But anyways, man, so we got this level up here, which is now a resistance level. We up top. Let me go ahead and pull this out so we can reference from the bottom to the top. So we at the top of our stochastics and we at the top of a resistance, right? So now we're trying to identify a downtrend. So what are we looking for, right? We need price to create a lower low, right? Because we already see um, we had a high, right? Or we looking for price to create a lower low or a lower high, okay? So we already see that we at the top and we had this high, right? So right now we're looking for a lower high to try to confirm that, hey, are we going in a downtrend, okay? So right here, we got price at this resistance. It shot down to this level right here. And as it got to this level right here, what did we create, right? Oh my God, man. What is going on? Yo, what is up with my mouse? This ain't cool. This ain't cool, guys. I don't know what is up with my mouse. I don't know if it's the mouse or if it's the actual actual app itself. What, man? But anyways, right? So now so now we formed a lower high now. So now we see that price made a lower high, right? Because this high is lower than this high right here where we got our resistance at. So now when price failed to create a new high and it created a lower high, now we have a confirmation for a downtrend, right? And that's just one confirmation, guys. So we're not just going to move off one confirmation, because we're also with a lower high, right? We need a lower low, right? So now, boom, we get down to here, and I'm just gonna put the it down here and then move it up because it's acting crazy. So now we look, and price actually failed to make a higher high, created a lower high, and then price pushed down to create a lower low, guys. So now we have a lower low area, right? So now we're identifying a downtrend. All right. So now we come here and we say, okay, boom, we got a lower low, right? Now we also need another lower high, right? To confirm that it's a downtrend, right? Just in case we missed this move, right? We didn't get in at this time, but we missed this move. But we also confirmed that we got lower highs and lower lows, right? So now we need to find another lower high to determine, hey, where is the next entry point? Okay. So now we get down here, we draw our line. Yo, bro, I'm telling you, it's ridiculous, man. My computer acting crazy. So now we go down and then we see another confirmed lower high, guys. All right. So now we come to this area. Y'all see this, man? I don't know what's going on. All right. So now you see at this line right here, we have another confirmed lower high, right? So this high is still lower than this high and lower than this high, right? So now we have another confirmed high. Now all we need is price to continue to fail to break this lower high and to create us a lower low, okay? So boom, now you see this lower low. You see this lower high right here. Now we're waiting on price to fail to make a high or come up back up to this lower high. And then boom, as you see, price come down, cross over our 14 EMA, pushes down and fails to get back up to this lower high. So price is pushing down, right? So now we're like, okay, where do we take it at? Now we look at our last lower low over here to this side, and that's what we would try to take price to, right? So we would look at that and we would try to take price to this last lower low for our exit, okay? So now once price create this lower low right here, bro, you see this, dog? This is ridiculous, dog. Let me see. I don't know what I did. Why it's acting. Settings. I don't know that I put like snap to. I probably got this magnet thing on or something, man. But anyways, right? So now we move and we create a lower low, right? So now we got another confirmed lower low, okay? We got another confirmed lower low. Now we definitely know that this is a downtrend, guys. And so that is how you basically swing from from that last high to a lower low to identify a downtrend. That's a swing low, right? So we swung from this top all the way down to this lower low right here, which is the last low, right? So that was the last confirmed low, okay? Mind you, that was the last confirmed low. So now, in order to stay in this trade, we need to find a confirmed lower high, right? So now we get here to this point. Man, this is crazy, dog. Get here to this point, right? We get here to this point, right? And now we have another confirmed lower high, guys, right? So we got another confirmed lower high, right? So we need to see from this lower high, we need to try to get to a swing, another low, right? So we need to price to form another low, right? Which is a lower low, okay? So that's what we would try to do. We would try to take it down to the next lower low, right? Which is like right in this area, okay? So you see this area and price came back to this area, okay? So now we're looking for that lower low. So boom, now we have another confirmed lower low, guys, right? So now we got another confirmed lower low, and now we definitely know that it is a downtrend, okay, to the downside. All right, so we already have our line right here as far as our key levels for the 15-minute. And what happens, guys? And what happens, right? So now we definitely need to confirm another lower low, right, before getting into this trade. Okay, so now we need to confirm another lower low. Okay, I mean another lower high. All right, so now we get back here to this level, right, and we see, okay, we right here, and we see, okay, boom, price is still at this lower high, and it's failed to break this lower high, and it's making lower highs, right? So as you see, this same lower high is this same lower high here. So now we need to swing it to this, to a lower low. Okay, so we'll try to go down to this next level right here, right? Right here, because we had problems in the past, we'll try to come right here to this next level to swing down to our lower low. Okay, to our lower low level, right? And then so we would get this level right here. So now we see price come down, and it creates another lower low. So now you for sure confirm that you're in a downtrend. Even if you don't know it now, you're like, okay, this has got to be a downtrend. So we made a new lower low. Now I need to confirm another lower high so that I can try to take, base this trade off of, right? Or I need to I need to find another lower high so that I can say, okay, boom, let me base this trade off of, and boom, I know that this trade is going to do this. So I probably jumped ahead right here, but here go your lower high right here. So you got this lower high, and then you would have took it down to your next lower low, your next swing low. So you would look over in the past and look for another lower low to take it to. So you got entry at this lower high, and then you got to exit at the lower low. Okay, so that's how you confirming a downtrend, and that's how you trading a downtrend. Okay, so now you got this lower high, and you got this lower low. You got this lower low, and then you see price pull back up to this lower high, right? So once price pull back up, it created another lower high. Now you're looking for another lower low, right? So now you're looking for another lower low, which you can either target these areas right here from in the past, or you can target your buy area, right? And then you can leave it at that. But just to show you a downtrend, like I'm telling you, you're looking for lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so now you see price come all the way down, boom, create a lower low. Okay, so price came all the way down, created a lower low. Okay, so you already understanding that, hey, boom, I'm in a downtrend, boom. And that is how you basically determine, a downtrend, guys. So we started way up here, right, from resistance, right? And we found a high. Okay, then we found a lower high, right? Lower high, lower low, right? Then we found a lower high and then a lower low. Then we found a lower high and then a lower low, right? Then we found a lower high and then a lower low. Okay, that is how you determine a uptrend or a downtrend, guys. So pretty much I wanted to know how you guys felt about this video. You guys can leave comments in the comment section and let me know if anything else I can go down into full detail. But like I try to tell you guys, I do a full mentorship, right? And it's $100 right now, and it's for a lifetime right now, guys. So if I was you, I would take advantage of that so we can go into full depth and full understanding on how to find a downtrend, how to identify a downtrend, and we can get examples. We can set up one-on-ones. You'll have full access to me, guys. So it's the best time. It's no time than now, right? The best time is now. Okay, so what I would do, if I was you guys, I would go ahead over there, or I would hit the description link below, and then I will go ahead and sign up for that. If you don't want to, though, guys, I do have a free OnlyFans right now. I got a free OnlyFans. Plus, you watching me on YouTube, so you can always subscribe, right? And then hit like so that I can show up in the algorithm. And you can push out this video and say, hey, this guy knows what he's talking about. SMSFX Ken, I really support it. Maybe I want him to mentor me. I like his style of trading. I like how he explained things. And then hopefully, we can build a bond from there, guys. But like I said, I won't give up on you guys unless you give up on yourself, man. I'm here to try to help as much as I can. I feel like this is a good way to give back, to let people understand that, hey, Forex could be for them. Don't let nobody else's fear don't let nobody put their fears upon you. You got to use your own judgment, right? So if you can see that, okay, dang, okay, so if I'm looking for sales and I'm trying to spot a downtrend, oh yeah, let me go reference this video, right? So then you can go look at this video, And you can look at all the other videos, the candle video, and you can go look at the key levels video, and then you can understand everything else and put it all together, guys. So basically, I'm giving you guys this beginner's guide because I wish I would have knew this before I did all the things I did, all the mentors, all the money wasted, all the time wasted, right? So that is why I'm doing this. And like I said, and plus I'm doing it to show you guys like, hey, okay, I could offer something, I could teach you guys something, right? And if you want to go into full detail, then you already know what to do. All right. So the next video, I want you guys to stay in tune because it's going to be uptrends. Like I said, I want to cram everything into 10, 15 minutes so we can knock it out, and then that'll be it, right? So the next story is going to be uptrends, and that is what we're going to look at, uptrends, guys, man. So I hope this video was very, very helpful, man. If it wasn't, let me know. If it was, let me know, right? I need all feedback so I can try to make the best videos possible for free, right? I want to give you guys the real knowledge, the free knowledge. I won't steer you guys wrong. I won't just make up anything, right? I want to give you guys the knowledge, right? So let's get it, man. You already know what time it is. Gang.